Hello, hello. Can you hear me? Hello. Hello, hello. Can you hear me? Hello. Hello. Tôi sẽ thêm.
Yes, sir.
Sir, sẽ thỉnh.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Let's start our class. Kar masakarin hihi kan tito data link layer ka. Chuanin network layer kan sun jamang network layer again network layer works for the transmission of data from one host to another located in a different location. Tini chuchu data link layer in same network khat within the same network ania mase network layer chuans located in different network in anglo data instance in transmit network ta chuchu engine is also taken care by the packet routing chuchu network layer packet routing khati ani tani chu ta chuan engting e man kan ti chuan so the spot wazuna khadi ta mei ta ke mani call computer tanga call danga chuan network danga wa chho don chuan ati poimo chu so the spot wazuna khani tani chu ta chuan in ati achu network layer chon IP routing a kha poimo em thani IP based routing a kha chuan chu ro le chuan ama khanin routing table maintain bok ani chuan a function a chuanin engting e kan ti chuanin routing kha engeni atum ber kan ti chuan these functions of network layer is known as routing. The network layer determines which route is suitable for source to destinations. So the spots suitable for the source to destination. A source network atanga destination thlengtur atana a suitable so this route kha wazona khain tani chuan number 2 na chuan logical addressing ma ka soi to khan IP address khain addressing pangkat ni chu logical routing kha IP address chu ta chuan kan hret tur chu logical addressing kan ti khan address pani om kan tia chu make address le logical address kan ti ka make address chu network device aron si batang khan make address chu aron da halvek eng call point ta se network ka zum thei hrim wifi zum ve thei hrim net call ani mo laptop computer ani hrim khan network enabled device ani make address aron nei sa hrim mobile phone ho zong in IMEI number ani ang khan nei sa hrim ti na chuan a logical address be thung ro chu aron nei sa lo ke ma ni na kan pek chop ngai ta ron nei sa tur chuan kan network a khan DHCP aran ngai ta ni chu na kina kan le na nga chu logical addressing ati chu IP address ke khan ta ni chuan ma kan soi to a segment is in network layer is referred to as packet ini segment kan ti kha transport layer ni ta transport layer chuan segmentation mo segment chuan data link layer ani chuan frame kan ti ni mo ma se network layer chuan packet ti kha riat tur ani packet kan soi ra chuan is in the network layer mo layer is a network layer is implemented by networking devices as router my main poimo ber ni layer 3 chuan in routing IP based transaction ni re chuan layer 3 ani ti riat tur ani chuan make base ani chuan layer 2 ta link layer chu confuse lo tur ani chu mi te pani chu ni ta chuan adot layer chuan transport layer transport layers provide services to application layer and take service from transport layer kan ti chuan network layer a service wa pe tu khan ve ta ni chu transport layer kan ti chu ni ta a chuan chu ta chuan in the data is in the transport layer is referred to as segment kan ti a ma kan sei ta thu khan ta ni chu e layer te khan physical layer a chuan in bit stream kha ani to khamo bit by bit in akala physical layer a chuan amai ro chu data link layer a chuan eti ngai ni kha frame kan ti a chu frame chu network layer a chuan packet ti lo ni ta a transport layer a chuan segment mo by segment kan ti chuan a chung upper layer khanin pathum om the chu application layer session layer le presentation layer ta khang ho data ron thang khom ka alo lian tuk thei ta ta kha chuan in data kha soi dan om than to lo ni a chu application ina thil alo la khom le alo phu khom te session te lo siama khati mi lo ti khom ani wa khan wa siam em lo khami kha a data pum pu kha ron suk thata a it's coming into the transport layer and it's divided into a segment. This is called segmentation kan ti ani mo chu transport layer na lo ti khani. It's also for responsible to end-to-end delivery of the complete message. End-to-end delivery khani put the chuan the transport layer also provide the acknowledgement of the successful data transmission to transmit data if an error is found. Acknowledgement again negative acknowledgement om theta acknowledgement pa ngai om theta chuan chu lo la chuan transport layer hrim akina TCP IP te kan na soyanga chu transport layer na tho dan ani error om ni chuan retransmission mo chung hawa chuan in reply error ne ta ni destination khan in data I thon rang chuan reply error ne ta khamian reply information azir khan retransmit tur nge mo adik nge adik ani chuan acknowledgement aron pe me mo chu negative acknowledgement ani chuan NAC kan ti a NACK mo negative acknowledgement abak adik ani chuan SCK pa ngai aron pe thina ni hianin NACK ni chuan negative acknowledgement ani SCK ni chuan aron reply khanin adik mo positive mo n hi negative tin line tani chuan hemi ba ka hian tin nan frame number te theta a mo ma kan sei ta kan frame chu enge ni kan ti kha data link layer ami kan ti mo frame sequence frame le sequence number mo frame number le sequence number thon thi ani hemi hi data maintain dan athon dan ni tai mena ni chuan ka hian transport layer also provide the acknowledgement of the successful data transmission and retransmit of data if in error. Error lo omani chuan transmission na khanin non kha ti thei tani chu reliable ani na lai khan tani data kha ati stable tani mo error free transmission ani lai kha mo communication network khan secure asiam na san lai chu transport layer na lo thon lai hi ne tani. At the sender side, transport layer received a format of data. Or sender side akan data format saka. Allow receive tani chu application layer te session layer presentation layer session layer na lo ti hoka mo. Chuan perform segmentations also implement flow control. Segmentation kan ti chuan lo chen sang kha tani. Also implement flow control to answer proper data transmission mo flow control kan ti chuan antenna data ka thon chuaka a receiver in lo receiver ta chuanin anduang anga data anin thon chhonga anin receive ton mai chuan mo sender in a thon chakku tuk theya thon buang tuk theya capacity ni lo ang khanin thon theini a thon chakku tuk chuanin a receiver in lo receive seng lowa error om thebok chu flow control kha implement ngai tani chu lo ti tu chu transport layer en tani chu error control ania flow control mo data flow control traffic controller kan nia traffic chuan in changin a stop a changin a kalmong deuh chu whistle a hama huya mo khatiang chi ho ka flow control angai ni chuan it also adds source and destination port number transport layer chuan port number mangin mo port kan soi ton khan physical port kan nia logical port kan nia logical port a chuan enge ni kan ti chuan tuna port number kan soi che ni ta ni 65535 port oma chumi 65535 port mang chuan in data kha aron lut thina ni thon so kin computer a lut thin physical chu physical ania mo network cable in zom kha chu physical in ta pakhat chu amar chu khamia khanin logical a avalu le na kha tam tak om ta ni mo chu ta soin khami port mang khan port assignment a kha transport layer na ti chu ni ta ni generally this destination port is configured either a default or manually default a chuan in http port ka soi to a port 80 mo web kan browser tur tan hianin port 80 te ni kan ti a chuan http ftp kan ti chuan file transfer protocol a chuan port number 20 le 21 te nia chuan https ani chuan port 443 no a ho kha man tlang lon ho chuan ta ni khami port lo assign na kha ti chuan ta ni chuan at the receiver side transport layer read the port number from its header and forward data which it has received to the respective applications. It also performs sequencing and resembling of the segmented data. Segment kan tia transport layer chuan data ron lu reng kha a port dikta ka ron lu tem tia kha assign port a ron lu tem tia kha alo check phot ta ni chuan alo check khuna chuan engtin nge lo ti kan ti chuan respective application a khan a port ron lu na zir khan antinan port 18 ni chuan browser a du turani port 20 le 21 ni chuan ftp ni chuan file transfer protocol a lu turani mo khatiang khanin a port number antinan port 443 ni chuan https eta hypertext transfer port secure transaction ani ti khalo khadi ton ti lai ta ni le chu port base kha transport layer ran ha tho dan chu ta a chuan chu lo le chuan sequencing le reassembling sequence low reassemble kha mo sequence low segmented data kha data segmented data kha low da khom le original data alu da khom le kha transport layer na ti chu ta ni functions of the function kan tirngo ta ma bi pahnia kha sender le receiver a lo tho na tlang pui da function zo ka hi tu na hen soinun le taila segmentation and resembling he chu chiang sam ni upper layer tang ron chukla kha data bulk data kha lo chen sang mo te zo ka lo chen sang kha ni ta ni chuan each of segment produce a header associated with khang a chen sang te khang sequence number te lo ni ta alo nei lo ngai ta sequencing te lo ti ngai a chu number te lo pe ka lo ngai ta a zong zo kha transport layer na lo ti chu ni ta ni chuan transport layer of the destinations reassemble the message so hita chung ka suita ke sequencing and reassembling of the segmented data kan ti tak kha receiver a khan chu function pakhat chu ni ta ni chuan service point addressing condition in order to deliver the message correct process transport layer header includes types of address service point address and port address thus by specifying this address transport layers make sure that the message is delivered to the correct process khang ho zong zong kha a service kalna tur kha port chi sang sang om ta ni service on lu tur kha port chi sang sang om ta chu ta hian ngin kan entir lok chaw hianin internet port chi sang sang hi om ta a port hen assignment kha hey 2021 mo 22 23 mo secure cell ti te chuan hey DNS port 50T kan tiang chi te DNS mo chuan chu lo le chuan network news transport protocol kan ti te IMAP kan ti te hei DSCP te po hi port hemi hi number hei assign port ani ta hemi po hi hemi assign port ni lo po hi port tam tak kha the ni assign port wa assign ni lem kher lo ka mo chu mi achu ta hi ni aron ti achu an mani application mil puisel turatana assign port wa assign ka transport layer na ati chu ta ni. Thus, by specifying its address, transport layer makes sure that the message is delivered to a correct process. A process na to diktaka va thon khai tani ta hian ti na process tu rahi internet ang lawa hian port chi hrang ta hian lo tani ta chuanin ti na data va thon kha telnet big process a va thon ngai ta transport layer chuanin ti na i DHCP lo ta se DHCP big mo khateng chi khan DNS lo ta se DNS big port a khan mi port hi assign thlap ngai ta ni transport layer khan chu transport layer na ati chuni ta ni tuan the services provided that transport layers connection oriented in three phase kan ti hi three-way handshaking hi poimo khop mai transport layer TCP IP is a three-way handshaking kan ti big thina chu transport ani transmission ani tlat wang transport atel tlat wangin three-way handshaking kan ti a chu three phase ani ta number 1 na chon connection establish data transfer transmission and termination and disconnection chu transport layer na tho dan chu ta ni enge ni him pathum khian na tho dang ti chon data transfer tak ma hianin transport layer na lo thom ta ni connection establish ke mani call la destination kara establish connection ka ti tur ni phat chumi ti tu chuan frame le sequence mangkan acknowledgement te khating si ho connection an siam felvek huwa data transfer chau thina data kan han transfer felve le khan enge ni ti kan ti chuan termination and disconnections connection ha lo siam to kha data transfer ha lo siam to kha terminate disconnect thina ni chu reliable connection ani na san chuni ta connection oriented ani sana chu in this type of transmission the receiving device send an acknowledgement back to the source after packet of group or packet is received. This type of transmission is reliable and secure. More back and forth acknowledgement tak meka data ko wathona ka muem mulo ni chuan aron thon let le a diklo ni chuan in kar ate data loss thei mo ka tin chi ho reng ra ka reliable and secure ani chanchu transport layer hen ka ho zong kha lo maintain vek ti na ni connectionless services it is one phase process and include data transfer in this type of transmissions is received does not acknowledge the receiver does not acknowledge receipt of data. This approach allows for much faster communication between devices. Connection-oriented service is more reliable than connection-less services. Connection-oriented services kan ti hi acknowledgement-based thei ho kha reng ho kha ani tani negative amo acknowledgement pa ngai kha is more reliable than connectionless khang how nei velo ho kha mo khan ala reliable m9 tani connectionless ho hi non reliable ti riat turani data in the transport layer is called segments kan soi to segments ani transport layer is operated by the operating system chu kan riat angai operated by the operating system ma network layer kan ti te data link layer kan ti te physical layer is operated by the hardware. What is the hardware? Router, switch, or any other things is going out from the system to process those things. Network layer, data link layer, and physical layer. So, transport layer is operated by the operating systems. It's operated in the computer or the device, this transport layer. It is the part of an OS and communications with the application by making system call. Transport layer kan ti le achung lampang ho zong kha ati na chu application te presentation te session te transport te khang ho ka operating system in system call mo process paths, process paths, Windows process mo kang thread asiam ho ka threading asiam ho base ho vekatanga di vek khani tani operating system chung chu wang tak chuan transport layer te hang ho chung lampang ho song hi hackers ho ina computer va attack na ta na an man changkai process ho anitani. The transport layer is called a heart of the OSI model. So wang chuan transport layer hi apui ber kan tilo thelo ni sa chu computer ina allow process nei ta wangin abak a hnuai lampang ka chu se ta khan hardware dang de mo computer tanga chuak to nu khan allow process ani wangin ani. Let's move on to the next point, session layer. This layer is responsible for establishments of connection, maintenance of sessions, authentications, also ensure security. Hey, he point OSI reference model he in you have to clear about this OSI reference model. Okay. A point na te kha chiang dewa in chuan network zong a in khai khom na ani thlat wangin in chian po le networking chiang tol don ti na ni session layer and the chuan establishment of connection aba kan transport layer ka sei to a connection establishment kan sei to a khami ang deuh tho khan tu na hian in session a maintain don awangin session maintain session ani chuanin eng atinan Facebook te, Instagram te, email te, website te, web page, login ilo mo ta, login don chuan user ID and the password mo ni. Chuan chu authentication imang don ni chuan OTP te lang ai zui le ta ni. Chuan khang ho zong necessary information ifit nuwa khanin nang ma call le server in kara session a maintain ai ta ni. Session a maintain ai ta. Chu session na chu a maintain non chuanin connection establish ngai ta ni phot mai na chuan chu menu chuan maintain sessions chu authentication ka sei to also ensure security security implies khang ho kha session layer na ti chu ni ta ni responsible masabera chuan establishment of connections, maintenance of session low maintain te chuan authentication te chuan security te tari functions engting a function ngati chuan session establishment, maintenance and terminations. So it's very clear, if session is established then we need to terminate the sessions also. If the connection is established in the transport layer, termination is requested. The same thing implies in this session layer. Session is established and session is terminated. How we are going to terminate the sessions? We have to log out from the system, right? So these are the things in this session establishment and maintenance and termination. Okay. The layer also to provide process to establish, use and terminate the connections, and next one is the synchronizations. Okay, the layer also allows provide to add checkpoints which are considered as synchronization point into the data. The synchronization point help us to identify the errors so that the data is resynchronized properly and end of the message and not cut prematurely, and data loss is avoided. So it's needed to synchronize. Synchronize means, I hope that you already understand this synchronizations, to control the error. So if the synchronization point is maintained so that the data is synchronized again. So there are some mismatch in the synchronization point in the identification, and the data is synchronized properly.